Ever dreamed of having your own successful YouTube channel? 2024 is the perfect year to make that dream a reality. But with millions of creators out there, it can feel overwhelming to know where to start. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process with this action-packed script. Finding your niche and your voice. First things first, niche down. What are you passionate about? Gaming, cooking, makeup tutorials, lifestyle and vlogging, technology and gadgets, education and learning, technology and gadgets, entertainment, and many more. Choose something you know and love because your enthusiasm will shine through. Remember, even within a niche, there's room for your unique voice and perspective. Gearing up for greatness but not breaking the bank. You don't need fancy equipment to start. A good smartphone, decent lighting, and basic editing software can work wonders. Invest in quality audio, a good microphone, as viewers prioritize clear sound. Remember, consistency and creativity matter more than the fanciest gear. Script writing, hooking your viewers. Don't wing it. Craft engaging scripts that hook viewers from the start. Use storytelling techniques, humor, and clear visuals to keep them glued to your screen. Remember, attention spans are short, so keep your videos concise and punchy. Filming and editing, polishing your diamond. Embrace the power of editing. Learn basic cuts, transitions, and effects to elevate your videos. Free and paid editing software options abound. Experiment and find your style, but keep it clean and professional. Thumbnail magic, the clickable first impression. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression. Make it bold, bright, and informative. Use high-quality images, clear text, and intriguing elements to entice viewers to click. SEO savvy, getting discovered. Optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Engage with the YouTube community, participate in relevant discussions, and collaborate with other creators. Engagement is key. Building your community, respond to comments, answer questions, and actively engage with your viewers. Building a community fosters loyalty and encourages them to keep coming back for more. Promote your channel on social media and relevant online platforms. Consistency is king. The long game creating a successful channel takes time and dedication. Upload consistently, even if it's just once a week. Stay focused, experiment, learn from your analytics, and adapt your content based on what resonates with your audience. Monetization and growth. As your channel grows, you may have the opportunity to monetize your content and turn your passion into a source of income. YouTube offers various monetization options, including ad revenue, channel memberships, and merchandise sales. Focus on creating high-quality, consistent content, building a loyal audience, and diversifying your revenue streams to maximize your earning potential. Additional tips for my viewers to grow channel. Personalize the script. Make it sound like you. Inject your personality and humor to stand out. Tailor it to your niche. Mention specifics about your content and target audience. Keep it concise. Aim for 30 to 60 seconds to hold viewers' attention. High-quality visuals and audio. Invest in basic equipment for a professional look and sound. End screen and cards. Use them to promote other videos and encourage further engagement. Conclusion, revised. Creating a successful YouTube channel requires time, effort, and dedication. By defining your niche, creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, optimizing your videos for search, collaborating with other YouTubers, and promoting your videos, you can increase your chances of success in 2024 and beyond. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel 10 Mins Info, and hitting the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for watching.